Good evening. Table for one, please.
Good evening. Welcome to Le Gourmet. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Is that okay?
Absolutely. We have a table available for you. Please follow me. Here you are. I hope this spot is to your liking.
This is perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's our menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Sure. What do you recommend?
Our house special is a refreshing lemonade with a hint of mint. We also have a wide selection of wines and craft beers if you prefer something with a bit more kick.
The lemonade sounds great. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. I'll get that for you right away. Here you go. Have you had a chance to look over the menu? Or do you need a few more minutes?
I've glanced through it. I'm a bit torn between the grilled salmon and the steak. What do you recommend?
Both are excellent choices. The grilled salmon is served with a light dill sauce and comes with a side of roasted vegetables and quinoa. The steak is a ribeye, perfectly aged, and comes with garlic mashed potatoes and sautéed spinach. If you're in the mood for something hearty, I'd go with the steak. If you prefer something lighter, the salmon is fantastic.
They both sound delicious. I think I'll go with the salmon.
Wonderful choice. Would you like to add a starter or a side to your order? Our Caesar salad and the French onion soup are quite popular.
The French onion soup sounds appealing. I'll have that to start.
Perfect. I'll put your order in. Here's your soup. Enjoy.
Thank you. This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Our chef takes great pride in making sure all our dishes are perfect.
It definitely shows. The flavors are so rich and well-balanced.
Thank you for the compliment. Is there anything else I can get you at the moment?
No, I'm good for now.
All right. Enjoy your soup. I'll check back with you shortly. Here we are, the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and quinoa. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks amazing. This is fantastic. The salmon is perfectly cooked.
I'm thrilled to hear that. Is everything to your liking?
Absolutely. The flavors are incredible. The dill sauce really complements the salmon.
I'm delighted you're enjoying it. Would you like another drink to go with your meal? Perhaps a glass of white wine?
That sounds good. What do you recommend?
For the salmon, I would recommend our Sauvignon Blanc. It's crisp and pairs beautifully with fish.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a glass of that.
Excellent choice. I'll bring that out right away. Here you go. Cheers.
Cheers. This is really good. You were right, it pairs perfectly with the salmon.
I'm glad you think so. Is there anything else I can get for you at the moment?
No, I think I'm all set for now. Thanks.
Enjoy your meal. I'll check back in a bit. How is everything?
Everything is wonderful. I'm almost finished. Thank you for the great recommendations.
You're welcome. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Sure, why not? What do you recommend for dessert?
Our chocolate lava cake is a crowd favorite. It's rich and decadent, served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. We also have a lovely cheesecake with a raspberry coulis and a light tiramisu.
The chocolate lava cake sounds irresistible. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. I'll get that for you right away. Here's your chocolate lava cake. Enjoy.
Thank you. This is heavenly. The chocolate is so rich and the ice cream is a perfect complement.
I'm glad you like it. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, this is perfect. Thank you.
Wonderful. I'll be here if you need anything else. Enjoy your dessert. How was everything?
Everything was fantastic. I'm so full, but in the best way possible.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like the check?
Yes, please.
I'll be right back with that. Here you go. Take your time.
Thank you.
I'll be right back with your receipt. Here you are. Thank you for dining with us tonight. I hope we'll see you again soon.
Thank you for the excellent service. I had a great time.
It was my pleasure. Have a great evening.
You too.